It's a nice shot of them looking out the window in my flower bed. All right, these are the XMCOSY solar pathway lights. These were sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. These things are pretty nice looking. Let me show you what you get with this kit. And what I really like about this too is this cracked glass that they have on here. I just think this looks fantastic. And you can see this is a really thick piece of glass on here. They feel heavy and they feel durable. Nice large size solar panel on top, and the great thing about these is you don't have to turn them on or off. Once you get them set to where you want, you can just leave it on and they will turn on and off automatically during the day and during the night. Here you can see them in the middle area between my townhouse, like a nice addition to all the other solar lights that I have. So it's real easy to set these things any way you want. You just turn this, pull it off, set it to where you want, and just line it up, lock it back in place, and you're good to go. They have two different options. You can either use a warm white color all the time. Here you can see them in my townhouse backyard. This is the warm white light, and they're kind of guiding the way back to the end of my fence. I like the way that they have these circles around them on the ground. Or you can switch them to red, green, blue mode, which is pretty awesome. It's actually not pitch black here right now, so it's hard to see them fully glowing on the ground, but man, these things look fantastic. You're going to want to let them charge up for 10 hours on the first day, and 5 to 6 hours of normal charging time will give you 8 to 12 hours at night. Each of these come with these, again, really nice looking brass rust colored poles they go on, and the poles themselves are about, say, 9 inches. Each of these come with its own stake, so you can just put it in here. Oh, these are also IP65 waterproof, so they're good for rain, snow, sleet, anything. My neighbor has the porch light on, so it's hard to tell, but here they are lighting the pathway up to our front door. So if you're looking for a set of solar pathway lights, I think these multicolor, waterproof, durable feeling solar lights would look great in any garden, flower bed, walkway, pathway, sidewalk, backyard, anywhere. They look fantastic and they feel very solid and durable. XMCOSY solar pathway lights.